Wichita Falls, the place where I've experienced hard times, personal growth, and so much more. Growing up moving has taught me many things and given me countless qualities that I wouldn't have had today if I hadn't grown up moving. Each location allows me to meet new people and teaches me different things, but this one specifically was the most challenging, but possibly also the most rewarding. Although I didn't make that many friends and I wasn't a huge fan of the area, along the way I ended up finding small things that I enjoyed about living here, whether it was biking along the bike path, right by the lake, or climbing by the teeny anthill, or even just running around the neighborhood. Typically, saying goodbyes are hard, whether it's saying goodbye to family, friends, or a location, but in this situation, that just wasn't the case. I have never been so excited to move, but in saying that, so many people grew up here and never leave, which is something that took me a while to understand. I've grown up, as I've said, moving. I've moved 8 times, and this move will be my 9th, and with moving, it's allowed me to travel to different states, countries, and even continents. So the idea of staying in the same location your whole life was so crazy to me, because I could never imagine doing that. Although I may make it seem like Wichita Falls is this horrible place, it really isn't. It just wasn't the right place for me, but there are still some amazing things to do and see here, even if it is more limited than other places.
This is gonna be the last time I ever looked through this window.